The new budget framework paper for the financial year 2021-2022 has placed an ambitious projection of 45.6 trillion shillings in what many observers and economic analysts have received with caution.
Every business has been risk averse. Elections, whenever they happen in Uganda and in Africa generally, business stops. Why? Because everybody enters into wait and see mode. Everybody was waiting to see what would happen. If I borrow money now, which type of business am I going to do to be able to pay back? The banker itself was asking, if I lend money now, will these guys return the money?
With several businesses arguing that they have barely received meaningful incentives as earlier envisaged under government economic stimulus. The Chamber of Commerce and Industry also says enterprises still need capital injection.
We expect the government to concentrate on incentives that they need to put in the business sector for it to be able to develop and get back to its feet. We expect the government to work on tax incentives, tax holidays, tax allowances for people to be filing beyond time as long as they are able to file, and to increase liquidity in the different sectors. For example, UDB, Microfinance Support Center, but also use the available associations in Uganda for people to be able to access the money.
Augmenting this position, senior economic analysts point to the fact that without special purpose interventions at the lower economic tier, national tax and revenue targets could be missed.
The real economy in Uganda is the informal economy actually, because that's where 56% of GDP comes from. So for that matter, therefore, I think they need to see how do we get microfinance to these small businesses to restart. The guys who are working on roadside in these big markets around Kampala, Wakiso, Mukono and other towns of Uganda, so that they stay afloat and be able also to recover themselves.
Reina Ojon, NTV Business.